Cost-effective email marketing, connecting Bulkresponse SMTP with Sendy.co. Integrating SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, with Sendy is a pivotal step in optimizing your email marketing strategy. Bulkresponse, a trusted SMTP service provider, offers robust features for delivering bulk emails efficiently. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of connecting Bulkresponse SMTP with Sendy, ensuring smooth communication and successful email campaigns. Sendy SMTP Partner. Understanding Bulkresponse SMTP and Sendy. Before we delve into the integration process, let's gain a clear understanding of Bulkresponse SMTP and Sendy. Bulkresponse SMTP serves as a reliable solution for sending bulk emails, ensuring high deliverability rates and robust performance. It provides essential features such as dedicated IPs, real-time analytics, and advanced delivery optimization. Sendy, on the other hand, emerges as a cost-effective email marketing platform, offering features like list management, autoresponders, and detailed campaign reports. Integrating Sendy with Bulkresponse SMTP enhances its capabilities and ensures efficient email delivery. How to connect Bulkresponse SMTP with Sendy. Step 1. Access SMTP detail. Log into your Bulkresponse account and access your SMTP detail that provided by Bulkresponse. If you don't have an account, then you can sign up from here. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Brand Settings section within the Sendy dashboard. Step 3. Select SMTP Settings. Locate the SMTP Settings option within the Settings menu and select Other. Step 4. Enter Bulkresponse SMTP credentials. Enter the SMTP credentials provided by Bulkresponse, including the SMTP server address, port number, username, and password, and save setting. Step 5. Test connection. After entering the SMTP credentials, Sendy provides an option to test the connection, but first you have to create your campaign. Log in your brand account and locate the Test Send This campaign under the campaign, and then add your email address and click on the Test Send This newsletter. All set and done. Conclusion: benefits of Sendy's integration with Bulkresponse SMTP server. In the end, you must keep in mind the following benefits that you will reap through this amazing integration. Cost-effective email sending. Bulkresponse SMTP server offers a reliable and affordable solution for sending emails through Sendy. This integration allows businesses to enjoy significant cost savings compared to traditional email sending services. Enhanced deliverability. Leveraging Bulkresponse SMTP server improves email deliverability, ensuring that your messages reach the intended recipients' inboxes promptly. Reliable infrastructure. The use of Bulkresponse SMTP server adds an extra layer of reliability to your email campaigns, backed by a trusted and secure infrastructure. Real-time tracking and analytics. The integration facilitates real-time tracking of email campaigns, providing valuable insights into open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics crucial for refining your marketing strategies. So what's the wait? Get started today with Bulkresponse and avail this amazing limited-time offer of 20% off on all services. Just enter discount code OFF20